ham.
Pardon?
Your ham. You see, it's the last one. And my daughter Blair, see, she's coming home all the way from Peru, and hickory honey hams are her absolute favorite. And I'd like to buy it from you.
No, it's not for sale.
But she's in the Peace Corps, and I'd be willing to pay anything above sticker price.
No, we're not interested.
You know, it's never too early to start thinking about putting away a little something for your child's college education. Merry Christmas!
Bacon here. Bacon. Thank you. Okay, I got a money. Yesy? Okay, this is start, man. Alright. This is what, hey, Mom. Here's $1. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Oh. No! No! Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I lost it under that bacon ham. Oh, damn it. Dude. I know it is. It's in the door. I need a door. What? I did I say? Wait. Hey, door. You. It's a door. Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Hey, I'm gonna say money at the Jamba Jefferson angry. How many do you think I got? I want you to know. I want you to see. I want you to hear it. And in the angry mother, sounding a Merry Christmas to you. What? No! No! Oh! No! 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 I believe. Oh.